What's up, guys? So today I'm working on my rear caliper. This side looks like it's like seized because like I've been going through pads and I just haven't been able to like get a new caliper. So I went with OEM. Well, not OEM, but like the stock pretty much. Just cause, but I don't know. Cause I thought about going Z32, but I don't want to do the conversion for the new e-brake lines and the whole brake assembly, and through all that money and the new rotors and the new pads. So I just figured like spend $100, get the core money back, and then call it a day. I do plan on getting Z32s in the front though, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, and then I got some new tubing so I can brake the lines better. But yeah, man, that's it. Let's get this started. First thing, let's jack up the car. Oh. Finally got new rubber on here too. The other ones were so bad. But look, you can even tell already, like there's so much uneven wear. So I replaced with some pads that I had laying around, but the piston is stuck, so I couldn't get it over. So the one that was bare metal, I swapped it to the rear, and this one's just completely fucked. So pretty much I'm just gonna assemble this and then take it out, put on the new one. Damn, look at this shit. So yeah, I'm just gonna take off this piece, and then I'm gonna take out the rest of it. So I believe these are 14s if I'm not mistaken. Let's find out. Yeah, they're 14s. Cool. This is my first time changing a caliper ever, to be honest. But from what I've seen, is like unloose the line, it just makes it a little more easier to go ahead and just remove it. But yeah, this is a 12 right here, so that just goes there. These are out, those were 14s, and this side of the caliper should be out. Okay, so this has been a pain in the ass so far, but let me show you the pads. So this is the newer one, like it's already going through, and this was the old one. Look at that shit, bare metal, like it's so bad. But so something that I've always wanted to learn from when I was swapping out the pads is my e-brake cable, how to remove that shit. Like I honestly didn't know, and I went on the internet and I didn't find anything. People were just saying like pull it off. Like what the fuck? That made no sense. So pretty much I got it back there, but I'm gonna show you with the new one for people that don't know like me. So this is connected like through here and then right through here, and then when you pull up, I guess this just, you know, but you're supposed to take off this bolt. I know, my dumb ass. Take off that bolt, and then you can take it off from this part. But this bracket that attaches to the bolt caliper, I'm having a hard time taking this off. Apparently it's supposed to just be like this thing right here. It's supposed to come off. Like I literally can't. Like I've tried everything, and so some guy just passed by looking at me. So honestly, I'm just gonna use this bracket still, and on the new one, I mean it looks ugly, but it's still working, so whatever. But yeah, so that's how you do that. Right now I'm just gonna lower this side because the other side was a little weirdish, but I mean the other side was good, this side was a little too high. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Oh yeah, and then these bolts, these are 17s in case anyone's wondering, and then this comes off. But yeah, yeah, so that's how you remove e-brake cable.